Welcome to TechUnity. This video explains the TechUnity India Freshers recruitment, training, and placement process. TechUnity India is a high-technology company that provides software engineering, technology training, and high-tech placement services across India. We are a fully owned subsidiary of TechUnity Incorporated, headquartered in Washington, D.C. TechUnity India is managed by the corporate governance of TechUnity Incorporated and has become one of the most established players in the Indian technology sector. We engineer enterprise-grade systems encompassing applications in supply chain, manufacturing, healthcare, robotics, oil and gas, banking, and many others. The training we provide significantly differentiates our technology graduates by making them the most sought-after high-tech workers in India, in locations such as Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, and Coimbatore. Our graduates are placed with the largest multinational corporations and we negotiate the best salaries and benefit packages during the engagement process. We specialized in the areas of enterprise software engineering, software QA testing, apps development, cybersecurity, media graphics, and training and placement services. TechUnity India is conducting recruitment, training, and placement for freshers in areas such as enterprise system development, mobile apps development, software QA testing, cybersecurity, marketing, and media graphics. In enterprise system development we are covering technologies such as .NET, MySQL, Microsoft Visual Studio, PHP, Oracle, Java, Ruby, C++, Node.js, and many other areas. Our next area of recruitment and training is mobile app development. In mobile app development we are covering areas such as iOS, Android, Xamarin, PhoneGap, Swift, Objective-C, Java, HTML5, and many others. Followed by mobile app development, we are recruiting freshers in QA testing. This includes training in functional testing, regression testing, penetration testing, test case preparation, QA best practices, QA automation, and many others. Another major area of training and placement is cybersecurity. In cybersecurity we cover areas such as threat assessment, vulnerability remediation, infrastructure hardening, and policy implementation. We also provide training and placement in marketing. This includes areas such as email marketing, social media marketing, telemarketing, professional network marketing, and business development. The final area of training and placement is media graphics. This includes training and placement in whiteboard animation, infographics, video production, 3D animation, video gaming, web designing, and many other areas. To know more about our recruitment, training, and placement services, please contact any of our offices or send us an email to hr@techunity.com.